If you're looking to offer local business marketing services and need a tool that makes the whole process easier, Vendasta might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we'll show you how to use Vendasta to offer powerful marketing services to local businesses. Stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal how you can get started with Vendasta for free with exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. Now, let's dive into how Vendasta can transform the way you offer local business marketing services. First, Vendasta provides a fully integrated platform that helps you manage everything from lead generation to customer management, all in one place. Whether you're selling SEO services, reputation management, social media marketing, or websites, Vendasta helps you streamline your business operations. You'll have access to tools that simplify these services and make it easy to onboard clients. Next, Vendasta comes with a wide range of marketing automation tools that you can use to save time and increase efficiency. For example, you can set up automated email campaigns or schedule social media posts for your clients without lifting a finger. This lets you focus on scaling your business while Vendasta handles the repetitive tasks. The third thing you'll love about Vendasta is its marketplace. The platform has a huge selection of white label products and services, meaning you can offer a comprehensive range of marketing services under your own brand. This allows you to provide your clients with everything they need, from advertising and content creation to reputation management and analytics. The fourth thing is Vendasta's reporting and analytics tools. You'll be able to track the performance of all your campaigns in real time, providing your clients with up-to-date insights. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and trust with your clients. Plus, it helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing efforts. Next up, Vendasta also offers client relationship management tools, making it easy to stay on top of your communications. You can manage leads, monitor their journey, and follow up with automated reminders. This ensures that no opportunity slips through the cracks and keeps your client relationships strong. And here's the best part. You can get started with Vendasta for completely free using the first link below. This includes access to an exclusive extended trial that will let you explore all the powerful features Vendasta has to offer without any commitments. It's the perfect chance to see for yourself how Vendasta can revolutionize your local business marketing services. To wrap things up, if you're serious about offering local business marketing services, Vendasta is the platform to help you scale quickly and efficiently. With its integrated tools, white label services, and robust client management, it's an all-in-one solution that makes it easy for you to run your business and offer top-tier marketing services to your clients. Don't forget, the link below gives you an exclusive and extended free trial, so click it now and take your local business marketing services to the next level.